How to log in to UniBank account. So if you want to log into UniBank account, then first open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for UniBank login. Once you've searched, here you will have UniBank on the first search. Click on that, and here you can simply click on internet banking, which is on the upper right side, and it will take you to the login page. So to log into your account, first you need to enter your member number on the first blank. So once you enter your member number, you need to enter your access code. So it's like your password. But if you don't remember your access code, you can go for forgot access code so that you can reset or recover your access code or your account. But if you remember, then simply enter it, and then you can simply click on login. And once you click on login, if your information is correct, like your member number and your access code, then it will log you into your account under UniBank. So that's it. That's how you log into your UniBank account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.